I'm going to have a passport. Want me?
I remember this. Oh, what did that? I have thirsty morning. I go drink thirsty for days. You know how long me on thirsty? All the way I sent to my smack for go right to the yard with my barn. You know if I when I look for thirsty, mommy wally for thirsty used to over there, so. I don't know you don't remember that. But mom, you never forgot it so good here, mom. When me what? The parrot just ready. All who grudge me for this, man. Me tell you who grudge me in England. Your son Jerry grudge me. My grandson Rochelle, I love how many to you know, ma'am. Lord. Mama, what you call a little something where you put pan top? When you sprinkle the mutton nutmeg and the liquor, what you call it? You have a name for it? I not lie, I think Jamaica have the sweetest dish. I think Jamaica are the best cook and the best chef. I say, BJ, everything you cook. It's if I went scared tell her for what my restaurant. All when my granny tell me something enough to eat and talk. Look how crazy them need some, so. All who want come. I don't like puss and speckles, you know. Yeah, my hot girl. Mommy, now I eat the porridge, come. Me can't eat at something like that. Yeah, really, my mother, man, a jacket, thank you. I can, but I show off now, true. Then I beg out my porridge. I need to stop eat, but it's easier said than done. And enough something I name yesterday now. I'm not lying. I never know my belly big some. Mommy, I wonder how I have colic. Mommy, remember me used to have colic when I little bit? I'm boil every minute. I see boil very one big boil under her arm. I never know some people still get boil. How would that call me, Jay? How would know my initial? Oh, Mr. P, what happened? Me there drink. I'm in the can porridge, my love. Not like mother's cooking. Who, ma'am? I'm not going back yet. Chat too much of porridge, bud, man. You have to know if you skim the porridge from the top. And don't chat. You have to skim it from the top. And do like this. My mouth has spring water, I eat the porridge. That's how the porridge is nice. Can you imagine who will love America and not get none? Well, I not get some 3-4, but you know what I mean? Just come off our party now. Mommy not eat. Diana is 81. Dirty Diana. She 81. Wow, she live long. That's good. Because she look good for two. I said, I gotta live long to missus. I have 93 or 103. So. Listen, you see, if mommy get a cup of tea, she can't drink it. She have to put it down and make it cool for maybe 5 minutes. You see, me, if me get a cup of tea, I cannot drink it. I have to put it down and make it cool for maybe 5 minutes. True. Yeah, you see this now? DJ can't drink it. The only reason I may drink it now, Winston, you want some? The only reason I may drink it now, I truly want to get some.
You see that? 63-year-old and more or less 30-year-old.
All kind of unkind things happen in mankind.
When you outside you are doing people, they can 30-year-old people. You don't kind of that to the kind of me now getting 33 years.
Crazy world.
And this got
Mom, go feed purge now. I need eating help. So I get cabbage later. Not cabbage, red green one and callaloo later. And then tomorrow I get the yellow one, which is ackee. And then BJ, when I get
tomorrow, so I don't want to cook that.
what? So mom, when I get some turn caramel. So later on I get the green one. The green one is callaloo. Tomorrow I get the yellow one. Mama tell you I go class tomorrow. What try should do spelling bee yesterday and come second? Ready? Me say yesterday, auntie, I asked my mommy's sister yesterday, Seb. Auntie Jasmine, when I was 8 and I wash my ear, when me tell her, Seb, she said when I hold her under the pipe, I have one video I do with her and she said, let me go piss by you. Let me go shit by you. Wash me now, I wash my ear now. That's same ear. Mama, my ear soft. Like her sister them. She and her sister them here. Please, Auntie. What's that what you want? Some of my parents? Yeah, no. But I want everybody taste the price. All if you don't taste it and say it not taste good, but just taste it because when I have to come back out. Where you put in there, ma'am? Lasco, condensed milk, how is that? Coconut milk.
That's all the spice in the world.
Really would I love this. So may I drink it like a soup? I like the liquor sauce. I like the liquor sauce. And mama tell them how I like it out of a plastic container. You know?
You can't tell them, I tell them every time.
Look, you see this? Give me more appetite. This is all I eat. I love me nice and all this I go so love. That's sweet, man. All that near Ricky. Ricky and Nicky. Ricky, I see. Ricky Blanca. Ricky Blanca, where you Blanca? My porridge? So what must right now world in them? No sir. I don't like it out of plastic, it cut my appetite. It's not the same. It's not the same. Come here, said. My healthy and nice though, I love that. When I Queen with my fan, I want some of my porridge. No, I not get no more. I not eat up my something. Look. Enough holding addition. I'm sorry, crazy. I'm sorry for me the way I'm fat. I'm telling my pussy get more than fat, more than weight. My pussy stay fat. I wish. Mom, go and feed porridge now, no, mommy. Who's when my mommy tune there and I see him dress? When I send the live, go give Lisa iPad. Anybody see Lisa what time at Jamaica now? Mommy, what time? Right for this look good one. I enjoy it for me now. May I go back for seconds? Watch me have all bread now. The great up. Mommy! Jesus.
If you call me one more time, I'll lick you.
A long time, I'm not getting a lick, so. I want you see over TikTok. I can't bother with them, man. Sometimes I can't bother. I have a patient. That's why a woman did that trouble me, I don't know. Mummy, what are we the whole internet want beat off Tikiana? Tikiana's name? Tikiana or something. And so she used to trouble me wicked. I said, then I saw this woman that trouble me, I never know. I don't know her from the hole in the wall. Maybe I say already, I don't remember. But when I say how much people say, you did do Queenie this, you did say that about Queenie. I say, what? Then I was trying to world media there. Don't call mommy name no more, shit. This is the first time I come to Jamaica. I'm antagonized her. Scary now that the way and I need the plum tree over there, so. I'm there so still at night.
Scary. Yeah, I did something to go there.
Remember. But remember things scary is to call him more than me. Scary takes it play differently. I want to say dark and lovely. Big up yourself, Queenie. Thank you, Charlie, Scott. But mommy, just want to say a little bit me get to cast my one almost.
And there is enough around there.
I better rather seven.
If you ever put a phone on that, fling it out the door.
I don't put the phone on them. I don't put the phone a long time when you never had a look. I mean phones up and down. When I get none, let me show you what my love do. As big as me is this. Let's see my family a little bit, look. I'm a love lick out my plate too. Most of the time I impress nobody and eat the food the way I me love it, so. We have to make the sound, you know. Add Lisa. Well, Lisa. Lisa! Not even remember somebody did send for you. Queenie, calm down. Me in a purge element. Look how me I sweat. LT, you know. I'm here. Go. Lisa, why
Yeah,
Lisa
dealing.
hyper?
Yeah, the sister, I fuck up some porridge. I want to tell her, say, I saw me there, I fuck up too, you know.
This porridge.
Eh?
Where
What
you drink
porridge?
porridge?
Mm.
Lisa, I want to come see you later. I want to come look for you later again.
You want to come country with me?
Yeah, man, later on.
No, me
We
I
want to link up.
just say that song me go voice now and then left out.
Oh, you going to studio today?
They are still there already.
The same place?
No.
Oh, different. You have
Me
only past studio, you
I
know.
send you the location. I then here. Where the Portmore?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so me I go
But
send
I
you
go
the
to
location.
wrap up with my mom.
Eh?
May I make two wrap up with mom and then I'll at you.
Alright then.
Hey, I want to tell the people them say me you collaborate, you know, but stick around one me. I said not even the one letter in me not for place. Me sorry man, me I maintain that man at different time. Same
Me
one you
play
for do the
too.
video shoot. We're not
Me
do the
play
video
for
shoot
my
now.
life. Yes.
Eh?
I don't think me play for the life. Me just send him the file. Me not send him the file yet.
Me not hear you.
No, me say me for send him the file. Me not send him the file yet.
Alright, baby girl. Blessed love, yeah?
Yeah, so by in the next 3-4 hours me I go left out.
Okay, I'm eat for the running them 5 hours time, so yeah?
Alright then, cool.
Hey, Queenie. Hey, Lisa, Friday, sweetie.
Eh?
Friday night, sweetie,
Me say
man.
Friday night. Me I go post the video them now. I
My love
post
how you
them
take
file.
care of me every minute. You ask me if I want weed, if I want this. I'm a dad vibe nice. Sorry. We have a wicked time Friday night. We have a whole heap more wicked
Who go
time.
on bad? Who go on bad?
Yeah.
Who go on bad, man?
Yeah, man. We entertain the world, man. We sell pan up into the world and the moment was so nice.
Yeah, man, I saw me leave Queenie, man.
Hey, Lisa, you're strong, you know. Me have to say to my soldier them, say, me and Lisa run this and Lisa them for life to run 4 hours you go on before that. And when you reach at Friday 21, I will some name again. Forever 20. Where's
21
some
bad
name?
girl Friday.
When you reach 21 bad girl, me say, but Lisa no better than me. With energy different, man. You not tired, you know? One night you dancing for 15 hours, you know. You're up, you know. Then you go voice the song after. Can remember we have voice around 5 hours, you know. Then you go record the song, you know. Then you go get ready, you know. And then when you get ready now over 21 bad girl, you know. Beer vibes, you know. Who did it for who not did it, you know. We
In a
got beer
real life,
fun, me have.
man. I
But
saw
me,
all we want vibes, Queenie, man.
I saw me stay too.
We don't need
Me
no
alone
crowd.
there
We
sign
don't
of my
need
element. Me
crowd.
no
We don't
busy.
need crowd for happy. See, as me
Mm.
tell them on the interview one day, I say, a misery alone love company.
True.
People were miserably in our life. Hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, me G.
But I catch up with you later, darling, okay?
Yeah, man. Look good.
Bye, Queen. Yes, Lisa, girl, power. Hey, understand Lisa, understand. I love her. Find Lisa quickie. Yeah, man, Lisa nice. And it's so, you know, this world so crazy. Typical human being and people and mankind. Them say, see me and come live with me are two different things. She give me kind hospitality. I saw Shari Rosalie at it. Even Rosalie amazed me, you know. As they see Rosalie, they saw something. See her and meet her in a real life, a total different person, you know. Rosalie buy 4 flitters, you know. And she go over there and order the 4 flitters and she come, she take out one. She say 4 flitters, the woman have left. And she take one and put on 3 on the table. And she share. When we done my man and she buy the cigarette them. She buy the drink and she buy the cigarette and she gave everybody one cigarette. All of them not smoke. She said, you take it. I said, I not smoke cigarette. She said, what a cigarette, man. So the little difference in people. I love the two of them. I love Lisa dearly. Lisa, I'm a Sagittarius girl. Lyrical bad. Spiritual, mentally, physical. And I admire Lisa in many ways. And I say, Rose, now, me and them I say, me a hypocrite. And so, me a hypocrite, you know, me just who me is. And whosoever my heart goes from, you know, Me no take side and me no get involved. Me love the two of them and I say girl power. I don't business if the two of them want custody like kingdom come. Nothing to do with me. You understand me? Me love the two of them for who them are, and if them can't agree, that is not my business. Me not tell Rosa for do, and me not tell Lisa for do. Me just have to say two girls. Me love Rosa, me love Lisa, and I admire Rose. When Rose said go buy the second round of drink, then says to me, come live with me at two different. Rose said, me not paying a 2 grand. 2 grand, him can't do better with the man. Hey, me not buy. Go take back my money. I was send back fair money. Remember, me not really drinking, you know. Me just a drink fella. But just the fact that, you know, if she did it, I should take it up on her head for the fair like a treat. And when we were sitting on talk around 5 minutes, we would say, go on, go buy it for him. I'm making a hustling. Go on, go buy it, make him get like all drunk. I say, love you. What? She spit. Wait some name with me. Spit person. She just passed my note. Say, me love. I said, go on, go spend it with him. And buy 8 cigarettes. She's and thank you, ma'am.
She spent our money for you.
I messed about the road just I said. Should I spend the money with the man? I should spend and buy and give everybody who should afford. Instead of what I take this, see, take that cigarette. I'm admire with that just a little time. I don't spend a cent. And it wasn't my place, as I said, you know, to get involved with me. We hear them I say, oh, me sit down there and I say, no. Me I really want, you know. Everything you know put me in, you know. When you cuss me over me and Rose and the piece of pig's tail. No, no. Me and Rose, a long time me and Rose down I'm all, you know. How was it down there, you know? Rose said, go and make him get a little hustling. Go and spend it with him, whole track. Rose can't help herself. Rose natural. You can't judge people off the internet here, man. And me, Shan asked me that's about Lisa now. Shan Lisa did at it. Me no business, me stay in my own element. People have said that it no matter we are Jamaican and we're terrible, whether around the dining table, walking up the aisle. People is always the people. And when you're in that situation, when you're not into someone's shoes, you can't jump on and say that, but say hi, but I have a nice time at Jamaica. But meet Momo. Momo, come look for me night, you know. Yeah, man, I see if you get them picture with her. But me meet Momo come look for me. I say, look at that. Momo said, Queenie, I heard you say that the last day the fight come popping. Yeah, man. The Bible tell you, nobody don't know what tomorrow gonna be, man. We just have to live for the moment. Your best friend can become your worst enemy. And your worst enemy can become the best friend. It's life. Me now reach a space in a life now where I go through so much and feel so much time, and the fact that I've been through it, I don't see it as failure. I don't see it as failure because the word failure do exist. But in myself, I'm proud of myself for every step I'm making in life and it don't work out. So I see I'm peaceful in myself and complacent. I'm the most forgiving. Yeah, man, that's some stay a long time. I can't bother about the whole grudge. I tell my mind and get on. Put all dribble around and I can get some of my purge. I can't bother. I like bring things, whole things from my head, you know. And somebody rude to me last night. I just said, you know, people always the people, you know, them don't even know so them rude to me. You know, people always judge me because I'm loud. I'm a defense, so I'm a vulgar. But I'm one of the nice, most tolerating person. Some shit when me put up to my mom, I wouldn't put up to even quarter of that, you know. So I see myself different and special in many different ways because Jamaica people that say I have drunk a stomach. Enough things people get away with me, you know. I'm just smile, but always remember My granny always say long run shot, blood clot catch. You hear that? I said this my smile, my one of the deadliest blood clot woman. It's running to me, I could say my blood clot this. And you see my silent. Mm-hmm. People tend to test you in different ways without even realizing it. So them even test you, you know. Some more time as a queen and as a person who I am, I have to think for people. It don't make it right, but it make it alright, if that makes sense. Like, somebody did something to me last night. And the more I think about it, I have to find an excuse for it. You know? Like, you know, sometimes you think about things and it make you go over time. We're all human, you know. Everybody see things different, you know. You see me, people always judge me because I'm a character. And they might say me loud. But me's a nice soul-hearted person. My ex-husband always say, so love when I come out, you know, yes, sir. I am, you know, I'm very sensitive. Them say, a wise man once says nothing. So sometimes, what the fuck may I cry for? Boy, Queenie. I said, here, Lana, yesterday, no, mom. Mommy niece. I feel good. I look for my sister, them, and my generation, them. Here, Lana, yesterday, no, mom. Oh, the cry, the Queen of the cry. I said, cause of you, I take it from. Me and the ball in for the internet, the cry. So I say, you, I take it from Lana. Yeah, no, me are 60. I say, I remember exactly how much. Yeah, 60 and me are 55. So yeah, I'm a bigger cousin. I remember when they used to ball, it's a family team. You know, so BJ love ball.
Stop coming in down the school.
You know, me's a happy-go-lucky person, you know. I'm always talking about my sister. I'm glad I see her yesterday. So appreciated for that today. When me I eat and shower wash me hair, I don't want me ear wash. I'm say, come afraid of me ear for me a little bit. I'm say, let me go make it kill me. Me I go piss by my auntie me I tell her to know. But good man. Me nice, not no do me just emotional. I sit down in a car, 4 in a car, and somebody have a confrontation, and them throw a weapon in a car, so close, you know, dropping on my bag. Was a target for me, but it come on me there. Me alone on my back. I'm with this man, and I said, you know what, the things in our life I appreciate, and the things in our life we have to swallow your spit and think very keenly for the world, if that makes sense. You know? BJ, you done the purge? I want somebody in an argument and them a throw something. But they target to me, just take a tour from me this morning. Every time I think about it, I say, blood clot. That could have knocked me out, you know. One ice cold box, you know, with full with ice, you know, and solid box through. I made something go so I look, I said, Jesus Christ, God, could you have me start laugh? And from a wake up, and I said, blood clot, look, suppose them did knock me out. And it made me think, I wonder if I lick them, they'd want to lick me. I wonder if I do them something. So just way in life, you just... My granny always said, don't drink your soup on it. I just some could have drink the porridge when it as a summer stay. I'm so kind hearted and soft hearted and easily forgiving. That every time somebody does something, I find a million excuses just to make it, alright. It's not right, but it make it alright if that makes sense. I mean, I say blood clot, and I think like one solid box of ice. I said, unless you can't see the sitting for lick me. What, Or ignorance or what. But either way you take it. That's why I see me thinking anything I do, One night, I ride with some of my mom. And then I light some rubbish right over there, sir. And pure black smoke. I'm a shout out, I'm a son, and I said, people sit down out here, son, and like that big dirty smoke. And I said, the girl, them over the two girl over the corner, them take my pussy tongue. And them class me. Remember, I don't know them, everybody know me. And people feel like to through them to my internet. Them can't jump on this. I'm not trouble people. But anytime nobody trouble me, I'm defenseful. Enough people don't know that. I'm not trouble people. I'm not chat people. I'm not even criticize people. If me there say I chat people, that don't interest blood clot me. But talk about me. Anyway, somebody girl, them start class me. I'm so listen people sit on out just and I like that big black smoke. So the root some of them I said to me, remember me no know who it is, so I walk over there. Number one, why to what me I walk over there now for say, ooh, cause shall I come? I have bring it fair.
Oh, yeah, shall I come?
Yeah, go in the back, go in the kitchen. And slide.
Oh, I'm going to leave mine.
And that me I want to...
If you ever put the camera on me, say, where the move, man?
Bitch, I'm a battery ride.
Good shot, bad man.
Number one right to say there in a shots. We tell her to shop shots leg. Yeah. So by me the years so now. And somebody at class. Remember everybody know me call me a Queenie. Me I know 3/4 of people ever think me know them. So me I walk go. We say who the two girl them and what them really I say listen, me I walk go. So me reach right to the fence now. Just show trouble and set like crane, When we reach this around 8 years ago, I don't remember, but a long time. When we try to the fence now, the girls see me I come now, she running at the yard. So the runner she running at the yard, when me reach on the fence, I saw one flash back up. I'm take the fair one fencing up. Can't remember where I worried about me. I know who me I worried to, so I go towards my object, so she back. So I go up on the wall, see the reach to our yard gate now. I'm not going to the yard and I grab the back off of the wall and seal it. But remember she done gone in the yard already. My heart a beat strong as so. And don't want to know after me sit down here, so. My mom, I take my kids them the day, a couple years ago. Maybe 7 years ago, yeah. This is a way before I get married. When me look, I not even remember if I when me did married. I don't know, it no matter. Anyway, number one, I feel. When me look, I see one thick girl and there's a three girl that come and sit about this. So when a little girlfriend I scheme said to me, see woman I come further with knife. So me I say, woman I come, remember me don't know the people them, The woman I come from with knife. So she come on the burner. She said, Miss Walker, we shot at just my mom. So Miss Walker, like she said, come, stop up Queenie, cause Queenie for throw back up on my veranda. It's if I'm sitting night, I turn up pussy, you know. Yeah. So I fancy turn away right and nobody not perfect in a situation. Spontaneous things can happen. Me just a show no situation. So me say with a knife. So me say, but me not purposely just pass and throw back like yeah. There's a situation and shall be rude to me and I run for say I want shall run. So the run Sharon and I can't catch her, I just save a target, but mother never go and do that. So right there and then I soft answer turn away right. Me not gonna make the woman cut me up because shot. So I say, but baby, if you come to me for cut me up with knife, you're not better than me then, darling. Because of some I speak to I know, me don't want nobody cut me up. Because when you're ignorant and things happen, sometimes you don't even think until it actually happened. So maybe to how she hear it, she gets ignorant. So it's up to me now if you see me, I'm gonna make the woman get ignorant or don't. Yes, Winston. So I said, darling, but me never had a good jump and go throw back over your yard. So when me run on the girl come, me want to say, I want she run me in a class, me so me just grab the back and feel it. Yes, you know, make it right cut a yard. She said, if this, if that, but the if never happen that, we skirt off, cause she go. Me see the woman last week and called the woman. Come here, say, me called to a woman last week, come here, say, see that woman there. It come for me. Some is not a violent person. And you see if me offend you, I will speak to you properly and reassure you. You see if me not in your me, I gotta tell you, say, you know, me don't want to be a friend because you did do me this. But me have understanding. Say some people treat me so. Once me never vent. Me just laugh. I say, blood clot. All it are the cast of ice. Catch a knock that would have knock me out, you know. As simple. It might look simple. You see me a pash. I'm looking at the bag, I said, Jesus Christ, God Almighty, I'm start laugh. Yeah. I'm just sure say there's 1,000 ways for die. You can't do so good and a trouble soul. Me don't know, you know, me that center my sister that's so peaceful and feel good. Go look for my generation, them see the only part dead people, them grave, my brother grave, you know. Feel so nice. And I look for them and say, no, enough things we escape by the skin of our teeth in life. I see me, if you're not close to me, you don't know me. I'm very sensitive, you know, and people misjudge me because I'm a defense, because I'm rough, I'm tough. Yeah, I'm tough and rough physically, but spiritually and emotionally, I'm very soft. And you know, I'm loving in a nice and treat people treat you better. Some always try to reassure people. I always try to reassure people in life. Even if my bite off them, make up horrible. I say, listen, I just let all the steam and I say, man, I love you back. But mankind is very unkind. Somebody pushed me out of them car one night again, you know. I tell mama earlier on, I just sit down. You know, sometimes you say one word to a person and them explore. And see me, Queenie must say 1 million, move your blood clot, fuck off, me don't want to be a friend. You know what to expect of me. So sometimes you expect RIP scary. Sometimes you expect when me not go do at me. So people always judge me for say, Queenie, I go cuss me. Me not get up and cuss people and make people feel bad and nice. You have to trouble me. So you trouble me and make me feel bad. I got trouble you back to make you feel bad. But me not hurt you. People is very, very cruel. And you can't know what it is what people are going to do until you mix with people. No matter, nobody are not God. Yeah, man. Somebody do me that one night. Too. One something I said to them by defending my career. And them run me out of them cat. And I said, blood clot. You want to see me like one little puppy dog. So I just a reason and not telling it, sir. You see me, I appreciated that life. Me's not a material person, I'm loyal. I see me love you, I'm not busy do blood clot and you don't agree at who you agree. If me and your friend I'm like that somebody there and that somebody they don't agree, me not busy, me not get involved, but me not make sure that. Yeah man. Some of that Jamaica feel so good there every minute me provoke mom. That's one of my main mission for come provoke her, keep our brains active. Every minute movie is nice, you know. Sometimes she says stop calling out my name. Me say mama the same thing with Nasta same. I said Nasta me so me care about the same thing. You get what I mean? Nasta the most annoying is spitting my shit. Texted Pama more than everybody else. Every 10 minutes she call me, every 15 minutes. She, you know, and then she will lose all Russia. Couple of days ago, she said, Mom, I have to tell you how much I appreciate you. Mm-hmm. She said, I friend have no mother and no father. And regardless, she lose Russia. She still have me and her daughter. And she said, Mom, may I make sure to tell her, because sometime in life, when I appreciate your love on the own way and express it. And it's true. I mean, say that's very nice, nice. I know you appreciate me, but it make a difference, you say it. It's the same thing with my mom. People say, my love come to Jamaica. I say, Mom, if I ever still try to grill out there, so I come here, so come on. Sometimes I have all the big spit, and she just, I'm a smoke. My smoke. I say, Mom, you know my bun milk weed and the breeze got the weed in there and me, you know what trouble I. Yeah. But you know, people are very, you know, cruel. I mean like people treat me bad. My cuss, but me not treat people bad, you know. I will cuss out your blood clot. Me not like people treat me bad. And if me the road you have to think for me as well, because I think for people. You can't think for yourself alone. If you have a selfish and not selfish, well, stay selfish. You know, if you don't know to tolerate people and accommodate people, you stay away from people. And that's like me. I don't stray. As enough as me is, me stay on my boundary. You don't notice the TikTok and go on people matches and going at people something. Because me easy for shame, you know. Oh, it's nice. Make me share myself. Me nah, me nobody share me. Yeah, and I know people miss me go try test things many little weird. You know, I'm in a position where I can't show up on people, I hype on people. I don't do that, I'm down to earth. You see, some people can't even put 2 buckler of water upon them head and balance with that next time make 3. But that size up with me and take the piece, you know. And when I could have look at it and say, bitch, you know, I can carry them 3 buckler of water plus 2 for me, two of them same way, you know. Yeah, so life is just a challenge. People terrible, man. I mean, like when people judge me because them know me as Queenie, them test me, or, you know, them feel like say them are going to challenge me. I am not a challenging person, because there's no comparison to the Queen. I mean, I walk and trouble people, you know, and take up people problem for my head, you know. If you want to suck, you suck. If you want to lick, you lick. If you want to bite, you bite. Me not take up people problem. You see some people sit down and say, oh, shall I breathe again? She got take this. I don't care about nobody. Some no nobody feel like them can deal with me no kind of way. I true me no vulgar it out. True me laugh it out. Me no nobody deal with me no kind of way. My vex and my hurt. I'm glad me sleep on it and wake up. Them know them blood clot self, you know. So I have to go look and I say, look here. The amount of things I'm doing in life and in a work out the way I want to work. I'm still proud of myself, you know. So it's that I know when I give myself, nothing can break me because I believe in myself. I said, number one, I go there, if I ever go up on the blood clot life support, I'll fly down back. I go up there. What's wrong? Nothing wrong. I'm just a real good man, crazy. I'm a good man. Nothing wrong. I'm fat and juicy. I just and drink some mother. I just a reason back with my people them I show them say they can they are good and people just put in a little thinking mode and a little position. Just a little situation that happened last night. I'm just a pray that's a blood clot. So somebody can they are good and somebody just, King wa OBK wa yeah man. You know I'm glad I got St. Thomas yesterday. Remember when I growing up, seeing St. Thomas right there, so I'm born and I said, I want to go foreign, I want to go England, I want the world to know me. And to see it really manifest, I'm proud of myself now. And I'm not a horrible person, I am just defensive. I mean, I like people treat me like them think me I eat that, I know me I eat that. And just the fact that I'm a blood clot idiot. I'm not have to say it. You understand? Mm. Enough things may escape in a life because I'm a good, nice energy. Go back to St. Thomas, every time, man. I always remember where I come from. I'm proud of me. If my lie down to the backside, I'm going to have a bottle of water for drink. Everything I reminisce back for myself, I give myself honor. So you see that confidence I have with my inner strength, my loyal to myself and material things can't break me. But you see, mankind can make your brains go a million trillion ways. And you have to have that balance there. ZXOX. So, how much people over here? 120 people. Yeah, man. Sometimes I get up and I say, oh, I'm going to do this tomorrow, and tomorrow come. You don't even remember say I go do that. 10 different something you end up have to do where you never ever bargain for. Life are moments, man. I say no, you're single. You know, I feel good, me not have no man, and I don't want no blood clot, man. Read that for truly. Because I'm one sensitive person, and people, we as human beings, always what's the word? Misinterpret other people's thoughts. Because we feel like we can't go to people's head and think for people. And acceptation is a hell of a thing. I am very accepting. And I believe people accept me. Some people go like them accept me, but them don't. You see me, my accept every if you're rank and you want blood clot rank and you're rank, me not make that stress me. Some people don't see a rank and them tell you, no man, you're rank. Not me, you're rank. This alright, I crack my nose and say, boy, you're rank, go, but I feel you're rank. You understand? You have to have a balance in life. Yeah? Whatever the mini, yeah, man. When I go, my union delegates, my prefect, when I go to school, me's always a strong character and me's always a leader. I'm a very tolerant. Remember one time I keep on party for us and get 4 strippers. One of the girls said to me, say, should I love me for being a boss? You know, your tolerance and your acceptance. You know, so acceptance is a lot. A lot of people say them smile with you. You know, but them don't accept you for who you is. A lot of people need to learn how to accept the world as it is. That's what I do. I say I'm a free spirit. So when me is a free spirit and put up with so much things, I accept so much somebody. And see one somebody press down my little toe. Press down my little toe, then them nailing my little toe. It make me go say, whoops, how would me do? You understand the levels? Queenie, your ears so pretty. Yeah, I get Rochelle and move my ear. Like the all I get at the soft of my ear is. Mm. See that curly and soft and swing. If you stretch it, you get longer. Mm. I can't bother with the wig them. Sometimes some of the ear them all escape through the stocking cap. I'll shoot you. Me that business, me can't be weak. I get at Jamaica to impress nobody. The way me full of confidence right now come like me have a one long wing at my bottom. Me different. Me love my natural ear. You know how peaceful and relaxing this is? So me can't scratch my ears up. You see how when you have on the wig, see how you see how that so sting you like 40 leg long. Ooh, nobody no sorry for me. I'm not afraid of a blood clot wig anyway. Don't leave me alone. Right now, come like me have a long ear and just play with me here, so. So everybody different. When I feel so not beautiful if you not have a man-made ear. No, that's how I was born. God made ear me want. Brother me. How you know? Natural. Oh, yeah, the natural ear. But that's a holiday, my love. Yeah. Yeah, so I just say I have a little reason with my people, them not see me long time. Um, you see, yeah, them some memories only black people do, you know. You know, next thing why I'm so loving. They said my father teeth, man. Yesterday I said to Auntie Jasmine, Auntie, remember when Papa had teeth, man, Auntie comb down the ear, cause my mother ear. My mother sister and my mother first sister, her ear catch her, yes, so. Like how lady land and ear enough. Cause I used to say we're red. So you know red people have nice ear. So anyway. So Auntie Jasmine comb down the ear and cover her face and said, dirty ear mouse. That's how my father shot because they tell me I ate and the man a teeth me. Yeah, man. Yesterday, I reminisce and I said, Auntie, it's a long time. You have a bad girl for a little girl in a summer stay. My defense, son. I said, for my father teeth, my camera got a button there, man. I this know my turn gangster as a little girl. Water upon my head climb coconut tree. My mother have water in them house have them have them big family yard. We not forgot pipe. Yes, there's a different life that my father carry in. That's why this is me so rough and tough. Me no puny. Me no puny. Me sit down this and sleep. All the mosquitoes bite me, I bite back them backside. Not bother me. I can't bend my mind to, you know. But me, as I was saying, that made me sit down as a little girl. And I always say when I get big and I have kids, how I go treat them. That's before I have kids. I go treat them. You know, some people, I believe in treat someone the way you like to be treated. And that's what I do. Well, everybody can do that, so. Oh, none of them leave me alone. Anyway, right, crazy. I get my second round of porridge. Exclusive one. Yeah, phone call, dark them. One security dark them. Let's try you there. How would this man this on TikTok? The amount of man and girl I look for me. Alright, so why quit my car back on my yard? Come for me. What come for you? You can't come for me. Oh, BK. Yeah, I just break this. Just Blake in the grass, you know, come to Jamaica with me. So when you get new name, dark, them, sick. Just Blake, what kind of name that you give? No No man when I feel some judge blade your name. Queenie. No look at me at what's up, you never know say you. No, me I plan for come Jamaica with you. Me I go plan it out. Oh, this is Instagram. Oh, I see your name over Instagram. After me never know say over Instagram. I first me I see over here. You ever me all a blush. Me say just Blake. A beer man I look me same way. Me not look for none of them. Me nice. Me just relax and just hype on me there for holiday. Come like I first me come at Jamaica. Me just appreciate Jamaica every time. Brand new party now. Me gonna blood clot party got tired out myself. Them not pay me, me not going anywhere. So you know I'm a tour the place at daytime. Hold my little vibe, bun a spliff, 2 spliff, 10 spliff, smoke a weed. If I go do any little important business, and then in the night we just full of vibes and go sleep. No strain. All who say them I look for me ready, and for that, me not got none of them something. Yeah, me have to reserve myself when them book me. More sons book me this year. Dream weekend, me get them free labor already. So if they don't recognize me, me not recognize them. Anyone has something them with their Jamaica where I keep, if they don't look for me, me don't business, me just look for myself and be in my work. Cause somebody I gonna look for me one day, come I have a whole heap of youth. But this fifth them comes fifth for me. Born as fifth that I say me not like me get some breed of raw sweet on me. Hey, me strong, you know. I say I love Queenie and fuck me say, what do you get to level split in the bag with the man them bill for me, alright? So you know me do a total level split, me have 9 left. Blood class, meanwhile me have 9 left. Them still a bill give me, you know. As Mrs. Shane with one I tread, me say, what stock? Oh, fuck class, me say it's later out me look. Me still have 3 splits left, me proud. 3 splits I've left back out I left, you know. So I'm going to smoke around 20 split feet there. When I'm looking at my bag, I see 3 split left. I said, but my Clyde Queenie, well, you're not chimney that much, because I still have 3 left. See, Dewey, I want play nail. I want name so pay. I want supermarket name so. Enough people see me love me, not see him, thank God. Better when I saw one another. Enough people tell me so them see him. Them see me have 3 mile I low. Many of them just want to tell me so through them want remind me. But me not see him not see him. And then me not stray really, you know, so when I go back. That's good. Painland or pain. Oh, is it Painland? So no pain, Mr. P-A-Y. Everybody spell different. Okay. It don't really matter. My name there Jamaica. As far as the sun is from the sea, that's how we are. So crazy. That's why everybody have to live for them moments. Because not no last forever. You have to accept life. Sometimes you have asked some friend. Pain land it's spell. Pops. Pain land. Okay. Uh, pain, life is pain. Been through pain all of my life. The day is bright, it's still fall night. Life is a fight, but me still catch life. Long live Queenie, which is right. Life is a lesson every day it teach. If you never feel, you know, more ask, you know, what do ask me get so much bottom? I think that fascinates me more than anything else. Me have one little cut bottom. From me I grow me a flat bottom. So my mother bottom flat. She and her sister bottom them flat. I saw my bottom flat. That's why I go to BBL, Dominica Republic. Me didn't know me get that bottom. Me have one nice juicy bottom there, you know. Him no know. Only doing camera one thing, you know. Well, let's don't pay that no mind.